Struggling with Smash Party in a language you don't understand? Let me show you how to change it in just a few taps. Hey everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change language in Smash Party. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, launch the Smash Party app on your device and make sure you're logged in. On the main screen, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Here you can see the language option, tap on it. From the list of available languages, choose the one you're most comfortable with. After selecting your language, hit the Yes button. The game will update instantly and you'll see everything in your chosen language. And there you have it, you've successfully changed the language in Smash Party. Thanks for watching Make Gaming Easy. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment down if you have any questions or feedback. And if you're new, subscribe and stay updated for the future videos.